The escalating human-elephant conflict in Tezpur has raised alarm among conservationists and local alike as rapid encroachment and environmentally harmful practices near the area's elephant corridor threaten its very existence. This critical wildlife pathway, essential for the movement of elephants, is nearing closure due to unchecked human activities, leaving rural farmers in distress and struggling to safeguard their livelihoods. Amid rising tensions, a team of environmentalists led by Professor Saurav Bora visited the Chapuri area of Tezpur to assess the situation and engage with affected communities. The delegation included prominent members such as Tutumoni Kalita, president of the Prakriti Group, Masinur Rahman, the group's secretary, and environmental activist Babtan Das, along with representatives of the serpent-friendly team. During the visit, Professor Bora distributed pamphlets to raise awareness among locals about the importance of protecting the elephant corridor and minimizing human-wildlife conflicts. He also urged the Forest Department to take immediate steps to address the crisis, emphasizing the need for sustainable coexistence between humans and elephants.